How to fix peak crashing on Steam or the game keeps crashing. So first you want to right click on peak and then go to properties, and in here you want to specify -dx11 and under launch options. Then you want to go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish verifying the files. Once done, you want to click on browse button, right click on peak exe file, go to properties, compatibility, and check both of these options right here. Click on apply and OK. Now you can close this and try to launch peak again to see if that solves the issue. Otherwise, here's a second solution. You want to open up your GPU application. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to install NVIDIA app. Go to drivers section. Click on this arrow to check for updates and download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And then you will need to restart your system. Now, before running Steam, you will also need to check if you have the redistributables installed. So if you right click on the start button, go to apps and features or installed apps, search for redist like this, and then you should see a bunch of these, sometimes just two. So make sure the latest ones, which is 2022, make sure you have the 64-bit version and the 86 version installed. If you don't have them, you simply need to open up your browser and search for redist download like this, and then click on the first link, which is a Microsoft link, and then you want to scroll down till you see this table right here. Now you want to click on the 86 version link and the 64 version link, download and install both of these. Then you want to run Steam as administrator, so you want to search for Steam and run as administrator, and then you can simply play the game again, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.